Hello guys, I turned this garage into a small cozy house for living. Let's see how it was. I found this property on one of the real estate websites in England. This is a small garage with a total area of 39 square meters, and we will try to make a residential house out of it. At the entrance, a roller shutter is installed. In the future, we will install a sliding stained glass window in its place. Inside the garage, there is one of single space. There is a small window which will also be useful for us to light the room. Let's see what's happened after the redevelopment. At the entrance, I placed a mini living room, sofa, wardrobe, TV. I divided the back part into two zones and tried to fit a small shower and toilet on the left. On the right side, there is a kitchen set, a small dining table. All that remains is to place the bed. For this, I made such a solution by adding a mezzanine. This niche is located above the shower and kitchen area. This solution not only solves this problem, but also visually expands the space, adds more air. And the main thing is that this solution doesn't change the structural features of the building, and in general is not very difficult to implement technically. I completely changed the facades to give this house a new look, added more wooden parts and metal siding. In front of the main entrance, I added some landscaping flowers to create a small courtyard for outdoor recreation. This is how this project turned out. Do you think it is possible to use such a house for long-term living or not? Write your opinion in the comment, and also please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.